ma'am. Ako nga po pala si Lelibet Lumboy. Maaari po ba ako magtanong?
Sige lang po.
So, ano po ba yung opinion nyo about po sa government transparency?
Government transparency, para po sa akin, ang matapat na government ay yung wala pong tinatago sa publiko, dahil po syempre gusto rin po namin malaman yung funds natin kung saan napupunta at saka ano pa po yung mga plataforma na na-implement na.
Ma'am, do you think all government information should be made public?
Para po sa akin, hindi. Kasi paano po yung mga information tulad ng national security plan or yung sa ating private citizen data na hindi pwede expose. Kasi po meron yung mga criminals or hackers na pwede gamitin yun sa masama.
Okay po ma'am, salamat po sa inyong oras.
Wala pong anuman.
Magandang araw mga kababayan. You deserve a government that is both transparent and responsible.
Transparency is the foundation of public trust. Karapatan ninyong malaman kung paano ginagawa ang mga desisyon at paano ginagamit ang pondo ng bayan. Ngunit kasabay nito, kailangang tiyakin na may pananagutan ng bawat opisyal sa tamang pagbabahagi ng impormasyon. However, we must also protect sensitive information to ensure national security and the privacy of every citizen. That's why fairness in disclosing information is essential. Walang pinapaboran, walang pinagtataguan. To achieve this balance, I advocate for a comprehensive data classification system. This system will provide clear guidelines on which information is public and which remains confidential. Aligning with our commitment under Executive Order No. 2, Series of 2016, operationalizing the people's right to information while recognizing exceptions for sensitive data. We will also strengthen our cybersecurity measures to protect government data from potential threats. As outlined in the National Cybersecurity Plan 2022, prioritizing cyber resiliency and the security of critical infrastructure. This ensures that integrity in government operations is maintained and that information is handled responsibly. Accountability is crucial. Every government official must be responsible for managing and sharing information, in line with the Data Privacy Act of 2012, which mandates the protection of personal and sensitive information to prevent unauthorized access and misuse. No government should use secrecy as a shield against accountability. Transparency should not come at the expense of security, and security should not be used as an excuse to withhold important information from the public. Fairness, accountability, and integrity are the pillars of responsible transparency.
Together, let's build a future where honesty and security goes hand in hand. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay mga kababayan.
Hindi kami iniwan, hindi kami pinabayaan. Tuloy-tuloy ang tulong hanggang kami nakaahon. Itatak sa utak, number 6